Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to hide apps and lock folders on Realme. So the first thing, go into the settings, then scroll down to security and privacy, and down to app lock. Now enable the app lock, and we need to set a privacy password. So click settings and set the privacy password right here. Use and confirm it. Then we have the security settings. Link your privacy password to your account or email address, or set a security question so you can reset your privacy password when you forget it. But I won't be using it. Oh, I need to, so the question done. Okay, and now here you can lock some apps, for example the Facebook. And now when I want to enter the Facebook, I need to first enter the privacy password. It can be used when you don't want some people who have access to your phone also access your messages or your photos, etc. Still in settings, go into hide apps. We need to enter the privacy password, and here is the hide app. Hidden apps will not appear on the home screen, in the notification drawer, or in the recent tasks. You can access hidden apps by entering the access code on the dial pad or by tapping the hide apps icon on the home screen. So get started. So to access via home screen icon, tap the hide apps icon on the home screen and verify your privacy password to access hidden apps. And the dial, enter your access code on the dial pad to access hidden apps. We can enable both of these. Icon has been added to the home screen. And the dial pad, set an access code. And we have the hashtag 1234 hashtag. And done. You're all set. Now we can add an apps. For example, to hide the Gmail and AliExpress. Now I'll enter here once again just to show you that we have the access method, the dial pad. So go into the dial pad and hashtag 1234 hashtag, and we have our hidden apps. And now when I go to settings, hide apps once again, access methods via home screen icon, and right here I somewhere should have the icon. Maybe in here. Yes, we have the hide apps. Now enter the password, and here you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.